In this video, we demonstrate how to remove the keyboard. Before removing the keyboard, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and all the attached peripherals. Now, remove the base cover, battery, and keyboard lattice. Now let's remove the keyboard. Lift the latch and disconnect the keyboard cable from the connector on the system. Now, lift the latch and disconnect the keyboard backlight cable from the connector on the system. Note, the number of cables to disconnect is based on the keyboard type. Now, gently turn over the system and open the laptop in front view mode. Remove the 6 screws that secure the keyboard to the system. Then push the keyboard from the bottom and lift it from the system along with the keyboard cable and the keyboard backlight cable. You have now successfully removed the keyboard. For more information, see the owner's manual document at dell.com/support.